are working on round the clock to ensure that the farmers, they are getting the right seeds, and those who are selling fake seeds, we are going for them. Recently, we are together with the team, security team in Nakuru, we are able to arrest one of the suspects who comes from Nakuru, the area of Njoro. And this person and about 60,000 Kenya empty seed packets for the maize, and also some empty bills for the seeds, some machines, even fake kephis stickers for the seeds, and also some maize that were the seeds which are fake, which is worthy over 12 million, around 13 million Kenya shillings, and these were to find their way to the market. So we are working with the other agencies to ensure that these kind of incidents is not happen. So this guy is already arrested and is in police custody. So far we have a number of people who have been fined, others are in prison because of this, and the fine this can attract up to $1 million or even 2 years imprisonment. We would also like to partner with you, the people, the media houses, to raise the awareness, so the farmers, especially when you are going to the planting season, then people know what has to be done, how to identify the correct seeds. Like in every packet of the seed, the seed package, it has the level of kephis, where somebody can scratch, and then you can send the message to the 1393. That is a short code message. Then the message can tell you whether the seeds that you are getting out, that you are buying, they are correct seeds or not correct seeds.
Haya, tuthina mbere kihonia kia ngucanio cia miaka mingi